Let us take a look at this problem set. It says that express the following as fraction in simplest term. This is 20% as the first question. In our last video, we discussed what percentage means. We mentioned that 2% means 100, right? So that means 20% means 20 over 100. So if we take a look at the first problem set, express 20% as fraction in simplest term. That means all you have to do is rewrite this problem set in terms of fraction, and 20% means 20 over 100. Okay, so now you have been able to express this as fraction, but the question goes further by saying in its simplest term. And in one of our videos also, check the link below, we explained simplification of fractions. So we need to simplify this. You need to look for common terms that can divide this number. Now if you take a look at this number, you realize that 20 is a common factor. 20 in 20 is 1. 20 in 100 is 5. That means your final answer right here is 1 over 5, because you have been able to simplify it to the lowest term. 1 over 5. Nothing can go anymore except 1. Alright. The second question says 50%. You want to express this percentage as fraction in simplest term. 50% can be rewritten as 50 over 100. Okay, now if you take a look at this, you will also realize that 50 can divide 100. 50 is a common factor. Okay, so that means that I can say 50 here 1 and 50 here 2, and my final answer is going to be 1 over 2. Okay, if you take a look at the third question, it says 12%. 12% is the same thing as 12 over 100, right? So now how do we solve this? We want to simplify this also, right? If you take a look very well, this is 12, this is 100. If you remember your multiplication table very well, you realize that 4 is a common factor right here. 4 in 12 is 3. 4 in 100 is 25. So that means my final answer is 3 over 25. If you take note, you will realize that nothing can divide anymore. I will encourage you to go make sure that you practice your multiplication tables very well, because this will make your mathematics life easy. It will make your life easy when you are solving mathematics, and it's gonna make you to understand all this concept pretty easy. Let us look at the last question. 30%. 30% can be written as 30 over 100. Okay, if you take a look at this number, right, this fraction right here, 30 over 100, what do you think is a common factor right here. You will agree with me that 10 is a common factor because 10 can divide 30. 10 can also divide 100. So 10 in 30, that is 3. 10 in 100, that is 10. And the final answer is going to be 3 over 10 because no other number can divide this. Okay? Alright, I will encourage you to practice this one question that asks you to express as fraction in simplest term. Do this and put your answer in the comment section below. 75%. Express it as fraction in simplest term. Put your answer in the comment section below. Once again, I will encourage you to go master your multiplication table, especially from 2 times to 12 times. Alright, if you are new on this channel, consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button below and click on the bell to turn on your notification so you don't miss any of our videos. Alright, see you in the next class where we'll be looking at how to convert fractions to percentages. Bye.